This type of large dia gate valves are of cast iron or cast steel, and various items like valve body, bonnet, gland, wedge or disc are made in casting process, and thereafter machining is done. For casting valve body, this type of wooden pattern is made in two halves. Wooden pattern is made very accurately, which matches with outside shape and dimension of actual valve body. Using this pattern, sand mold is made for casting. Another wooden pattern is there, shape of which matches with valve inside shape. These are various valve body made after the casting and kept for machining. Similar wooden pattern is made for valve bonnet, which is now placed over valve body. This is the wooden pattern of valve gland portion, which is now placed over valve bonnet. These are the valve bonnets made after casting. This is another bonnet where machining and drilling is done. This is the wooden pattern of valve wedge or disc, using which valve disc is made by casting. This is the valve wedge or disc which is made after the casting. Now valve body flange faces are machined and groove is made on valve inside where body seat ring will be provided. Now valve disc or wedge faces will be machined so that it becomes taper and will fit perfectly inside valve body seats for leak tightness. For large dia valves, top portion of valve body is machined accurately using attachments so that it fits with valve bonnet bottom. Then valve bonnet bottom portion is machined smoothly so that it matches with valve top. That means valve body bonnet joint. Then valve bonnet top portion is machined smoothly over which valve gland will be mounted. Now gland flange portion is being machined. Now this is the circular body seat ring which will be installed inside the valve body groove and pasted using an adhesive called Aralite. Now you can see valve body groove clearly where body seat ring fits accurately.
Done.
Finally, bolt hole drilling is done on valve body integral flanges. After assembling all the items like valve body, bonnet, gland, disc or wedge, we get finally assembled valve.